As Israelites, we like to use the symbolism of the lion. That's right. In my opinion, the lion is overrated. That has nothing to do with anything. It's just my opinion. I think we put a lot of emphasis of lion symbolism. It's definitely due, but I think it is overrated. I mean, if I'm going to keep it a buck, I mean, what about the gorilla? Come on now. What about the grizzly bear? But we love us some lions. From a distance, that is. From a distance. We Israelites, but we still black. You know who the folks are who like to tame lions. And you don't see a lot of us. Now, the lion represents courage. There's a lot of symbolism within lions. We find different cultures symbolize the lion. They use lion symbolism throughout African, Near Eastern culture. I have to emphasize African. Also, throughout Africa, we see the lion. For example, right here, African ghost pepper. Here's my proof right here. If you ever question my blackness, here's my proof right here. Here's my proof, and here's double proof. You need two witnesses, right? That's my first witness. Here's my second witness right here. Bottle basically gone. Shout out to me and my wife. We towed this bottle up with no water. Okay, we was drinking something with it, but it's hot, but it ain't that hot. But I think like my taste buds definitely do not count. Imabithia says, we are the Lion of Judah. That's right. So with that said, the Lion of Judah, there's a lot of symbolism with the lion. We see it throughout the media. We see it through movies such as The Lion King, which are classics. Shout out to the cartoon, The Lion King, the movie that came out, and that new movie that came out. Shout out to it. What's the name of that one that came out? Mufasa. I still haven't seen it. I want to see it. My wife saw it. But we see that the lion is appreciated throughout our culture, and rightfully so, even though I think it's overrated. If I was going to keep it a buck, can I keep it a buck? Can I be real, fam? Now, back to what I was talking about. What was I talking about? Hot sauce? I'm getting hungry. Coffee makes you hungry. And hyper. Okay. So with the lion, as we see with double T the Hebrew, he's got a picture of a lion, rightfully so. The lion represents courage. Proverbs 28, verse 1. The wicked flee when no man pursueth, but the righteous are bold as a lion. All praises to Yah. But the righteous are bold as a lion. In other words, the wicked, they scary. They shook ones. They scared. But the righteous are bold as a lion. You know that's right. As the children of Yah, we are bold and courageous. We ain't no scary cats. Okay, so the word for lion, check this out. Let's go to lion, lexicon, results. Check this word out right here. Adi. Just like that. Adi, lion. Lion, Adi. Aleph, Resh, Yod. Aleph, Resh, Yod. Aleph, Resh, Yod. The word Adi means lion. As you can see on screen. Outline of biblical usage, lions. Lion. Pictures or images of lions. Strongs. Lion. BDB, lion. Cassinius, you guessed it, a lion. The lion represents courage. Check it. When you spell the word lion backwards. Now, the word for lion is Aleph, Resh. It's not Resh, it's Resh. And Yod. Aleph, Resh, Yod forms the word Ari, which means lion. Now, when you spell the word lion backwards, you get the word fear. Fear. Yod, Resh, Aleph. I got a receipt. Our language is so profound. It's so deep, family. Check this out. When you spell the word lion backwards, you get the word Yare, 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 which means fearing, reverence, afraid. Fearing, morally, afraid, fear. It comes from the root word, Yare. Remember, most Hebrew words come from verbs because Hebrew's all about that action. Let's click on the root word. We're taking it back to the soil, to the roots. Yare is a verb. It's the root word, which means to fear, revere, be afraid. The lion is not the biggest animal. The lion is not the strongest animal. The lion is not the fastest animal. However, the lion has conquered fear. The lion is fearless. The word for fear, to be afraid, is Yare, Yod, Resh, Aleph. But when you spell fear backwards, when you spell fear backwards, when you spell fear backwards, you get the word Ari. We must be bold as a lion in Ari. And if we get that backwards, if we get it twisted, then we are afraid. Yare. The lion is the king of the jungle. Why? Because the lion has conquered fear. The lion has reversed fear. The lion has converted fear into courage. And courage personifies the lion. Woo! I'm not even preaching, family. So as the children of Yah, let's be righteous. Let's be bold as a lion. Let's reverse our fear because it's natural to have fear. It is a part of our biology to be afraid. But it's what we do with that fear. As the children of Yah, let's reverse fear and turn it in to fearlessness. Let's go from fear to fearless. Let's turn fear into a lion.